gotta walk to our bus to get to the airport. We made it to the island of, I think it's like Marco Polo.
Marco!
See.
Marco!
Scusa!
We're gonna go find there's a locker room that we can put our luggage. So it's about a 10-minute walk into the city. So that's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna explore Venice. Is this what you want?
Yeah.
Alright. That's all it takes.
Kind of like what it worked for us, yeah, because we were looking.
Maybe you can do it like the last part. It was like perfect. This is exactly what I wanted, really. Just sit down and soak in the scenery. Like, look at
It's super crowded, so it's, you gonna get what you get.
Here, it's the time of year.
Grilled anymore.
They might not have grilled here.
Well, I was supposed to say, they don't have mashed potatoes, or do they? Looks weird.
Yeah, it does.
Their beer of choice is Heineken. Let's see their wings. I was eating different curry. Fresh pepper, oriental, and then of course they have oils. And balsamic vinaigrette. Not much different.
That is it for the beautiful city of Venice, Italy. I was actually like really shocked.
I'm glad we came back.
Yeah, we left to get the camper, so stay tuned for that.
In a panic.
Yeah. Yeah.
We didn't film any of it.
No, we just took off. Yeah, that was an adventure in itself. So we're ending the night with some KFC for dinner because I had to try it, and yeah, Stephanie doesn't feel like cooking. I mean, I don't blame her. It's like 9 o'clock, so, and we've been out walking all day.
All day. But what's new? It's raining.
Yeah, it's starting to rain.
That's not new either.
No, it's not. But thank you all for watching. Hit the like button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Well, I'm not an evil spirit.